Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the topic defense paragraph. Now, what is the topic defense paragraph? It is what I just mentioned in the last video. It's the warrant. It's the explanation for how your topic and your introduce yourself discussion question. It's the warrant. It's the thing that pulls it together where you're explaining about your background on your right for a cause topic, what you want to do with it, and all the things. All right, so let's talk about it. It has 3 different movements, much like all other forms of writing. It has an introduction where you can start by creating a setting to talk about the background of your right for a cause topic. Think about who all was involved in it. Think about the situation that led to it and communicate that so that you can bring your audience into your right for a cause topic and make them interested in it from the very beginning because it's something that you care about based on your history. So do paint a narrative picture in order to bring this right for a cause part together. The next thing you need to do is to create in the second movement, the body of this paragraph, right? So you have an introduction and then you have a body. In the body, you'll go ahead and list who's involved. In other words, the people who you want to lead or the people who you want to help. This group of people should be included here in this topic defense paragraph, because we have to know not just that it's meaningful to you, but that it's going to be meaningful to somebody else who also has gone through the same thing that you've gone through or is trying to get to the same place you're trying to get to. So you want to make sure that you have the second part, the who, the what, the when, the where, whatever it is that brings in your audience to make them participants in your right for a cause topic mission. That's what you need to bring in the second part of that paragraph. The third part of the paragraph, you need to take a stance. Tell your audience what it is that you want them to do and what you want them to learn so that they can be empowered to execute your cause and to push it forward. So you have to give these details. You have to take a stance. You can't just kind of stand in the middle and say, oh, it would be nice if. Instead, you have to say, this has to change, or this should be eliminated, or this is stopping students from getting said results, or including this will help students get said results, or including this type of sequence will improve communication between employees and employers in the field of whatever it is that you're talking about. So whatever goes there, whatever it is you're trying to say, go into a deeper explanation of it and make it in some way fit to what you said at the beginning in terms of your background and what you're interested in, okay? All of this, again, should be something that's completely provable or completely, a part of what you said you were interested in your discussion question 1. Don't forget about that. And then finally, you want to close your story by communicating exactly what your right for a cause topic will do, right? So you need to make sure that you have a clear outcome and a clear vision for what you want your audience to do as a result of reading your right for a cause research paper, preliminary bibliography, annotated bibliography, final essay. These things are very important because knowing from the very beginning what you want them to understand helps them digest exactly what you're going to give them later. So this is your topic defense. This is the way that you set up your argument for what you're going to do for the rest of this project. All right. I hope that makes sense. I'll see you the next time.